Record. Okay, welcome back, children. Our lesson is the first war of Indian independence, and we are discussing what? The causes for first war of Indian independence. So far we have discussed about political cause, economic cause, and third one is administrative cause. Now we have to discuss about military cause. Okay, so military cause, why the soldiers were unhappy. Military means it is relating to soldiers, right? Why were the soldiers unhappy? So again, here also there was partiality. Okay, you have learned in the lesson the impact of British rule in India. The highest post Indians were assigned with was Subedar post. Subedar post. Okay, so above that there was no promotion for Indians. There was partiality. See here, children. There was partiality in status. There was partiality in promotion, and there was partiality in salary. In all these matters, there was partiality. See, 8 times more salary was given to the British officers. Same level officers. Okay. Indian ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇಮ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ Indians got 8 times less salary than that British officer. So in this way, there was partiality, okay, against the Indians in the military. The condition of Indian soldiers in the British army, it was pathetic. Here pathetic means, children, it was very bad. The condition of Indian soldiers in the British army, it was very bad, it was pathetic. There was partiality in status, promotion and salary. Okay, salary no ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಷ್ಟು ಗೌರವ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. That is why soldiers were unhappy. So during this time, what happened, children? See, there was a belief, okay, there was a belief among the Indians that if they crossed the seas, okay, they would lose their religion. ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು, ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಬಿಲೀಫ್ ಇತ್ತು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸಿಗೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ದ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ there was no Indian king who ruled or who tried to invade, right? Who tried to invade over the overseas. Only Cholas did that. Mughals didn't do. Okay. Then all the rulers, any kingdom, Mauryans did not do. They did not cross the sea to invade the other countries. They had the belief that if anybody crosses the sea, then they would lose their religion. That was the belief. But when the British came to India, no, they forced the Indian soldiers to work over the sea. Okay, to work over the sea, to cross the sea, they were forced. So that is why it hurt the religious feelings of Indian soldiers. They were not ready to work over the seas. ಸಮುದ್ರ ದಾಟಿ ಸಮುದ್ರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ವಿಚಾರ ಇವರಿಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. They believed that they would lose their religion by crossing the sea. So now it was the religious belief of Indian soldiers, but they were made to work over the seas. They were forced to work over the seas. It hurt their religious feelings. Okay, that's what happened. It became the military cause for the first war of Indian independence, right? So two important causes. One is their condition. See, this military cause you have to write for 4 marks. One is the condition of Indian soldiers in British army. How was that? It was pathetic. It was bad. Okay. Then there was what? Partiality in salary and promotion. Then there was partiality regarding status. And finally, Indian soldiers were forced to work over seas. It hurt their religious feelings. So this is military cause. Now, next one is immediate cause for the first war of Indian independence. You know, all this bike, no, Royal Enfield bike. ಎಲ್ಲರದ್ದು ಕನಸು ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳದ್ದು Royal Enfield bike ಅನ್ನ ಓಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು, ಬುಲೆಟ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ in the year 1857, at that time, 1856, 1857 time, the British introduced a new gun called Royal Enfield. Okay, what was the name of that gun? Royal Enfield. And the soldiers had to use a special type of bullet for this Royal Enfield gun. But okay, to load the bullet, they had to chew. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ಕಚ್ಚಿ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬುಲೆಟ್ಗೆ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಏನೋ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಚ್ಚಿ ಬಾಯಿಂದ ಕಚ್ಚಿ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. Okay, to load the bullet to the gun, Indians had to chew the bullet. So during this time, what happened? There was a rumor. Okay, don't know whether it was spread by the British or whether it was correct, okay, or whether it was false, that is not known. So there was a rumor that the bullets were smeared by the fat of cows and pigs. Okay, so the bullets were smeared by the grease, okay, prepared by the fat of cows and pigs. ಕೌ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಿಗ್ಗಿನ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ನಿಂದ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆ ಬುಲೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹಚ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಚ್ಚಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್, ಕೌಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಕ್ರೆಡ್, ರೈಟ್. ನಮಗೆ ಆಕಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪವಿತ್ರವಾದದ್ದು. ನಾವು 33 ಕೋಟಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಆಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ರೋಮದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೊಂದು ದೇವತೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನಂಬಿಕೊಂಡವರು ನಾವು ಆಕಳನ್ನ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಜನರು, ಆಕಳನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಜನರು ನಾವು, ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ನೌ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, the cows were killed and the fat of those cows, it was used for, okay, it was a rumor, it was used for smearing this bullet. That rumor was there. So this hurt the religious feelings of Hindus. And at the same time, these pigs, they were blasphemous for Muslims, means somewhat it is banned. Pigs ಅನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮ್ರು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನೋ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಫಮಸ್. ಅದನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರು ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಜಾತಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೋದಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ದ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಹರ್ಟ್ ದ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋತ್ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ರೂಮರ್ ದಟ್ the bullets which the Indians had to chew to load it to the Royal Enfield gun, it was the bullets were smeared by the grease which was prepared by the fat of cows and pigs. So it really hurt the religious feelings of Indians. When Indian soldiers did not agree to use those bullets, they were forced. ಅವರನ್ನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. And finally this became the immediate cause for the immediate cause for the first war of Indian independence. And it started in the place called Barakpur. It is the place of your Mangal Pandey. Okay, Barakpur is located in West Bengal state. So Mangal Pandey's place it is, and it is Mangal Pandey who first revolted, okay, who started the revolt, who actually became the immediate cause for the first war of Indian independence. So here in Barakpur, when Indian soldiers were forced to use the bullet, they disagreed, okay, but the soldiers who disagreed to use the bullets, they were arrested. And at this time Mangal Pandey, he did shoot the police officer who arrested his friends. Thus what happened, Mangal Pandey was arrested and he was hanged to death. Okay, so that this is how the first war of Indian independence started. The incidents of what? Barakpur. Okay, Barakpur, the soldiers in West Bengal, they started. It was Mangal Pandey who cracked it first. Okay, yes, this is about the causes for first war of Indian independence. Which are the causes? See, 3 marks, very important, very dead easy question you will get. Dead easy. They will ask you, what are the causes for first war of Indian independence? You will write political cause, economic cause, next administrative cause, 4th one military cause, 5th one immediate cause. Okay, so if you write these 5 points, you will get 3 marks very easily. Dead easy question it is, children. Okay, then political cause, you will get 6 points to write. That is why 3 marks question. Economic crisis, okay. Economic crisis led to first war of Indian independence. How? This is also 3 marks or 4 marks question. Then see here, children, administrative cause and military cause. They will ask together. They will not ask single. They will not ask you to explain only administrative cause. See, in this case, if you have to explain administrative cause and military cause for 3 marks, you have to write this administrative as well as military. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಿವ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಿ, 4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 5 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ 2.5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೀಳ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. No, you won't get. Okay, so your 3 marks will be divided. 1.5 marks will be for administrative and 1.5 marks will be there for military. Okay, that's why concentrate on these things. Then immediate cause, very much expected 3 marks question. Okay, so this is about the causes for the first war of Indian independence. Any doubts? What is the name of the gun, new gun introduced by the British? Mahesh? Mahesh? Royal Enfield. Very good. Okay, so what rumor was there? Kavya? What rumor was there about the Royal Enfield gun? What rumor was there? Soumya Bhatt. What rumor was there?
Rumor spread the bullets of a gun were spread in the fat of pig and cow.
Yeah, okay, it was smeared by the fat of pig and cow. It was the rumor, no? Exactly, correct answer. Okay, yeah. Then Pratham Pandit. Pratham Pandit. Pratham Pandit. Yeah, Pratham. Name of the gun. Pratham, very easy question I am asking you. What is the name of the gun introduced by?
Royal.
Yeah, tell me.
Royal Enfield.
Okay, Pratham, tell me the name of the soldier of Barakpur who became the cause for first war of Indian independence. What is his name?
Bhagat Singh.
Just now I have written.
Bhagat Singh.
Yeah.
Bhagat Singh.
Bhagat Singh. Yeah, Bhagat Singh alla maraya. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ. ಯಾ ದರ್ಶನ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ. You have to be little bit careful. Darshan Hegde. Darshan, same question to you. Yeah, Sahana, can you tell me? Sahana, can you tell me the answer? What is the name of the soldier of Barakpur? Barakpur's soldier who became the spark.
Mangal Pandey.
Yeah, it is Mangal Pandey. Okay, Barakpur's soldier Mangal Pandey, he killed the police officer, no, who arrested his friends, who arrested his co-soldiers. Okay, yeah. Then why were the Indians not ready to work overseas? Okay, so why were the Indians not ready to work overseas? Pratham Bhatt.
There is a religious belief in Indians that who goes across the seas, they will be
They would lose,
not in that religion.
they would lose their religion.
Religion.
Yeah, exactly. Very good. Thank you, Pratham. Now, tell me, what is Inam Commission? What is Inam Commission? Who knows the answer? What is Inam Commission? Nikhil Hegde. Nikhil Hegde keeps quiet. What is the problem with Nikhil Hegde? Doesn't raise his hand at all. Nikhil Hegde is not there. Nitin Shetru. Nitin? What is Inam Commission? Otherwise, Jeevan. Jeevan,
Yes, Mataji.
yeah, tell me, what is Inam Commission?
Land gifted by kings were taken by British.
Yeah, Inam Commission was the commission appointed to take back the land gifted by the old rulers, right? Yeah, very nice, Jeevan. Thank you. So these are the causes for your first war of Indian independence. Now, next we have to study about the spread of the war. Children, we will do one thing about the spread of the war, and next what are the causes for the failure of first war of Indian independence and results that we will check in our tomorrow's period. But now tell me, how many of you are interested to take NTSC exam? Raise your hands. How many of you have thought about taking NTSC exam? I have Akshay.